The other day I was looking at CZ Scorpions and they were about roughly $1,000. So in front of you I have an alternative to the more expensive CZ Scorpion. This is the Blade. It's made by a Turkish company called Selic Arms, but it's imported by Gforce Arms, which is a company out of, I believe they're in Nevada. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Preston, also known as Tactical Black Guy. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Blade 9mm pistol. It's going to look very close to an SBR, but it's not an SBR. This is just classified as a pistol. As of today, it's March the 18th. I purchased this a couple days ago. I got it for $481. You probably can find them cheaper. It just depends on where you look. I try to stay local and buy local as much as I can. So it comes in a cardboard box. Inside the box, you have a few things. First, you have the gun itself. You got a lock. Some cleaning tools. And you get one 33 round magazine. Now these are Glock style magazines. These in particular, I think they're made by KCI. Amazingly, in my collection of gear and junk, I found another one of these magazines. So I have two of them now. But as I said, you can also use Glock magazines. They work as well. So let's go ahead and take this humongous box off the table. And I didn't mention there is also a manual in the box. It's terrible, but at least they included something. And here we go, guys. This is the start of the show. Again, this is imported by Gforce Arms right there out of Reno, Nevada. But the actual gun maker is going to be Selic Arms out of Turkey. By the way, guys, let me charge this a little bit here. And as you can see, it's clear. There's no ammo in the gun or the magazine. So as you can see, you have accessory rails on top and also the sides. Charging handle is located here. There's a couple ways to eject your magazine. You have a lever on the opposite side here, and then you can also push forward. So like I said, it uses Glock style magazines. This is the one that came with the gun. Nice positive fit. And again, if I push forward, I can release the magazine. They got a threaded barrel as well. You've got some flip up sights. And you've got a quick detachment link back here. Your selector switch is sort of canted at a 90-degree angle. So it moves like so. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, as far as an unboxing. You saw that it was pretty much bare bones in terms of what you get in the box. But I'm going to be doing a full review of this gun. I've got about... We're going to do about 250 to 500 rounds, and I'll come back and give you a full review. I'm hoping that this is as reliable as a CZ Scorpion, or even as reliable as some of the other offerings out right now. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.